Back with another video with some new content today. So not any hair, but if you're into, like, you know, skincare, stay tuned. So I'm gonna do a unboxing of a product that I received, or me and my husband received. It's his friend Vanessa. We bought some, it's like a body butter type of thing, and the company is from Brown Sugar Company, and so this is the box it came in, and this is it right here. So it comes with like a little spoon. You can just, you know, scoop it out if you don't want to use your hands. So that's pretty cool. And this is how it looks. So I'm trying to see if I can focus it so you guys can see. I think my light's too bright. So it says apple cinnamon shea butter, organic skincare. So let me open it. It's in a little glass jar. So oh, it smells good. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty thick. I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of it. Real thick, so I think that's pretty good, because it seems pretty, like, I don't know. Let me rub it in a little bit. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Look at that. It's real soft. It's probably gonna leave like a nice scent, you know. People will be able to smell you for sure. Kind of remind me of the holidays, like a apple pie. It smells really good. So just a couple things about the company that I got off of the website, and also I'll leave a link to the website and also her Instagram for this product. But it's a Brown Sugar Company. It helps you get in tune with nature through self-care. So I'm just reading everything that that's on like the website or whatever. But it was founded in 2018 by Vanessa Perkins, and Brown Sugar Company aims to deliver 100% organic and handmade, skin solutions for a more beautiful and natural skincare experience. So I like that. Just a couple things about it. This product is handmade, cruelty-free, and vegan. So for people that is vegan, this is for you. It's whipped shea, and it leaves skin luxuriously supple and smooth and radiant, which it did, because it's pretty soft and it blends in really good, which is good, which I love. It's best after a bath or a shower. And just a couple of ingredients that's in it. Just gonna name a few, but raw shea, castor oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, and then there's like a apple cinnamon essential oil blend. So which is really all good ingredients and products, which leaves your skin soft and natural stuff that we need for our skin. So that's good. And also, like I said, her Instagram is for this company is Brown Sugar Co. Well, CO Organics, and I'll leave that in the description box as well, just so you guys can check out the Instagram for the company. So yeah, I am excited to use this. I'm gonna use this for probably like a week and just kind of come back and leave a review. So then that way you guys know for sure, like, you guys want to go and check it out. But yeah, this is it. I can't wait to use it. I wish you guys can see how it looks. Or maybe, here we go. Yeah, excited to use this, you guys. So if you guys have any questions about this product, just leave a comment, or you can reach her up on her Instagram and, you know, ask anything that you may want to know that I may not have mentioned. So yeah, excited to use this. Thank you, Vanessa, for letting me try this, and thank you for letting me review this on my channel. So I hopefully this gets the word out and we can have your company thrive and have some good business. So thank you for that. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, and share, and stay tuned for some new videos that I'm going to be uploading soon. See you guys in the next video.